How to prioritize tasks? We should prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. First is important and urgent. Do these tasks right away. For example, an email regarding a job offer or for a new business opportunity requires immediate attention. Other important and urgent tasks may be the deadline regarding the payment of tax. Then there may be other tasks which are important but not urgent. We have to decide when to do these tasks. For example, exercise, recreation, meditation, long term planning. Then there are other tasks which are urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks if possible. For example, most emails, text messages, co-worker comes to you during your prime working time to ask for a favor. Then there are other tasks which are not urgent and not important. Set these aside to do later. For example, watching television, playing video games, scrolling through Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Another way to prioritize the tasks is ABC method, which assigns A to tasks to be done within a day, B for those tasks which are to be done within a week, and C for those tasks which are to be done within a month. To prioritize a daily task list, we may either record the tasks in order of highest priority or assign them a number after they are listed. For example, 1 for highest priority, 2 for second highest priority, and so on, which indicates in which order to execute the task. Some people argue that we should finish all the small tasks immediately and a big task can be divided into smaller tasks to start completing now. The reason behind this is to avoid the brain freeze, which is likely to occur when there are hundreds of tasks. Now, there is a case study related to time management. This is the case of a student named Rahul, who is a final year student at Punjab University. He is pursuing a Bachelor of Commerce. He attends 4 to 5 lectures daily at the university. In addition, he takes private tuition at a coaching center. Further, he is also undergoing training for the MBA entrance exam as he plans to pursue an MA degree after he graduates. In the morning, he goes to university. In the evening, he goes for tuition and MBA entrance coaching. Besides education, he does physical exercises in the morning. This information shows that he works very hard and stays extremely busy. If a person does extensive work, it can make the person feel stressed out and depressed. Therefore, a person needs to develop effective time management skills. Rahul has made a proper time schedule which he follows. In the morning, he wakes up at around 6 a.m. and does physical exercises. At 9 a.m., he reaches university to attend his classes, socializes with friends, and returns home at around 1:30 p.m. After taking lunch and a rest break for an hour, he goes to study. At 5 p.m., he goes for tuition and MBA entrance coaching. He returns home around 8:30 p.m., has dinner, watches a little bit of television, and then goes to bed around 10:30 p.m. Watching television and socializing with friends at university can be given the least priority. Important tasks are attending classes and completing homework assignments. He has developed effective time management skills and can cope with all kinds of demands and educational requirements. On the other hand, if an individual does not manage one's time effectively, he will certainly experience difficulties in performing the task. Spending hours with friends and going to a movie is fine once in a while, but higher priority should be given to studying and attending classes. Every individual engages himself in some or other kinds of work. The work can be homework, housework, job duties, studies, and preparing meals. Besides work duties, there are also other routine works such as activities of daily life comprising of eating, bathing, dressing, physical exercises, or even resting or sleeping. People perform all these tasks in the time as they have to reach school or office at a particular time. They have to eat their lunch at a particular time, and they have regular sleeping hours such as waking up at a particular time and going to bed on a specific time, and so on. Now we will conclude this course. In the conclusion, we can say that time stops for none and is equal for all. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day, but some people make the better use of time than others. Time management plays an important role in personal as well as professional lives. We should know that time never comes back. It is better not to think about the time that has already passed, but it is important to focus on present. If we want to be successful in life, then we need to manage our time. A person should eliminate unnecessary activities from his daily schedule. Avoid multitasking. Do one thing at a time. Do not feel guilty if you are not able to do everything in your agenda. Figure out and avoid distractions that cause delay your routine work. Try to live stress-free life. Stress damages your health and also creates hurdles in achieving your goals. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.